Welcome to Why, the show where we find answers to some of the mysterious things our bodies do that seem silly or gross. Peaks has written down a question in our question box. Let's take a look. Our question today is, why do we have hiccups? Have you ever hiccuped? Peaks and I have, and it can feel very silly, bothersome, or even uncomfortable. Let's call our friend Quimby QuestionBot to help us uncover the mystery of hiccups.
Quimby QuestionBot here to solve your mystery. Do you have a mystery to solve?
Quimby, why do we hiccup?
Looking up the answer now. Hold on, please. Hiccups are caused by a quick tightening and releasing of the diaphragm. The diaphragm is a curved muscle between the lungs and the stomach. It helps you breathe by gently pulling air into the lungs when you breathe in. Then it slowly relaxes and lets the air breathe out. Watch it in action. Most of the time, the diaphragm and lungs work smoothly together. But sometimes the diaphragm gets bothered, and instead of moving smoothly, it makes quick, rough motions. This pulls air into the throat too quickly. That's when we hear. Those things can be a bother to kids, but there are different things that bother the diaphragm as well. Eating and drinking too fast or too much, laughing really hard, crying a lot, or even feeling stressed and worried. Nobody knows for sure why these things can make you hiccup, but they do.
How do you get rid of hiccups?
People have all kinds of ideas for getting rid of hiccups. Your family may have already told you some of their ideas. Some people say to hold your breath for as long as you can. Some people say putting a tiny amount of sugar under your tongue will stop them. Others think drinking a few sips of cold water will do the trick. If you try these things and you are still hiccuping, don't worry. Hiccups usually go away on their own after a few minutes.
Kids, you may have a few ideas of your own. If you do, check with a grown-up to make sure your idea is safe to try.
Call me anytime you have a question. After all, asking a question is the first step to solving a mystery.
Quimby, thanks for helping us solve the mystery of hiccups.